Hey guys, I don't have a whole lot of time to talk because I'm at work right now. I'm on lunch break, but I'll try and make this video as quick as I can. But I guess sometime tonight or sometime in the next few days, we're supposed to get a thick plume of West Coast wildfire smoke coming over Michigan, which is the state I live in, and it's got a lot of people concerned right now. And yes, I am concerned as well. You know, I am thinking of the people who are in the West Coast area dealing with this wildfire right now. It's a scary situation that's going on, you know. My thoughts and prayers and my condolences go out to those people. You know, I mean, it's scary. There are people who have lost their life in that, you know, and it's starting to get pretty serious. Right now, it's not over us yet. It is cloudy, if you can't quite tell, but that's mainly because we have rain in the area. But you know, yesterday I did take some pictures of the storm or the sun. You know, mainly because you know, you look at it and it just looked very weird. And I'll have those pictures after this clip, but yeah, it was crazy. But I'll try and get some some more videos of, you know, the plume and stuff if I can. You know, if I can't, you know, I really do apologize. But I'll attach those clips to this video so that you guys could see it if we can see it. If we don't, then it is what it is. Alright, correction. I guess these aren't clouds. I guess the smoke's already here, but we got more coming. I guess I didn't realize it up until I just looked at the article and reread what it said. Yeah. I guess that rain I was talking about actually moved away, but all this, those are not clouds. That's smoke. This is unbelievable. And just think, we got more coming later tonight or sometime early in the morning. I looked at the weather forecast and they said it's supposed to be sunny right now. And it's not. Or it doesn't look like it is. Shit's getting crazy, I'm telling you. Alright guys, I just got home and right now the sun looks like, or is making it look like there's an eclipse going on right now. If you guys can hear me over those passing cars, Jesus peace. Okay, sorry about that, but yeah. The sun right now, I mean, it just looks like there's an eclipse. Here, I'll show you. Yeah, see? There it is right there. I mean, that's crazy. Hell, I could look at it myself too and not get blinded by it. I have never seen anything like that before. And all this just because of the wildfires in California, Oregon, and Washington. That's crazy. But yeah, anywho, man, I can't believe that. You know, yesterday, you know, for the two pictures I took earlier in the video, which were taken last night, you could see the smoke slowly rising. I mean, I didn't realize it was smoke, you know. I thought maybe we had some clouds rolling in, you know, because originally we were supposed to get rain and then it went south of us, you know, and as I stated earlier in the video, you know, I said that it looked like it was about to rain, so yeah, man, I mean, it's crazy. Man, I changed up the photo effect a little bit. You still can't quite tell, but if you look really hard, well, who am I kidding? You're probably not going to be able to see it, but the way I'm looking at it right now, in person, you can kind of see the smoke, like passing the sun. I mean, it's crazy. I wish I had a better camera, or else I'd be getting better pictures and videos of this. There's how that sun looks now. Man. Wow. Well, sorry about my poor handling of a camera. I don't really have that steady of camera holding skills. Yeah, see, it's right there.
It's fading away.
Yeah. You're in my video, Nova.
She doesn't care.
Well, yeah, so is Duke, but oh well. Oops. Shit.
Did you just adjust your light down?
Yeah, I'm trying to get better pictures of it. It's not really turning out the greatest because of how faded it is.
Right.
But still, you know.
Are you going to tell those people?
I will here in a minute. I don't want to interrupt them because, you know, they're trying to work on that truck. So I'll tell them here in just a minute.
Then people that then get my phone and fly down.
Yeah, it's almost gone.